Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an item that I'm going to be using for the first time. I've never used this item before and I was curious to try it, and I've had it for probably I'd say at least 3 months or so. It's been a while. I've been hanging on to it because I actually wanted to do it on camera. I know I haven't been on here every single time, but we're here today, so let's just get right into it. So today I'm going to be trying out the Signature de Chanel eyeliner. It's a intense longwear eyeliner pen in number 10 Noir, which Noir is black, so that's the only eyeliner I wear. I should try brown, but I've just haven't been into it. It comes like this. It is you have to put it together apparently, and I think partially why I haven't used it is because I've been a little nervous on putting it together. You get the actual pen, and then you get the actual gel liner, the ink that goes inside of it. It has a cap that you pull out, and this has the actual tip is like a brush tip. I do tend to like liners that have a brush tip, but this one is a fairly large compared to my favorite all-time, the one from Lorac. This one has a brush tip, but it's super skinny. So if we compare the two, do you guys see that difference? So this one is a bit wider this way, and then it is a little bit flatter this way, if you can see that. So hopefully I will love it. Okay, so as far as the ink part, it has a section here that you wind from the bottom part, and the ink, I have no idea how it goes. Does it go in here? It does have instructions right here on the side that's super tiny. 1, 2, and 3. Takes 3 minutes to put together. 3 minutes, really? I would say 30 seconds probably. So you're to undo this portion. This is step 1 where you unscrew it. Step 2 would be to take the ink and attach it to this part. How do I unscrew this? How do you do this? It just says insert, but there's literally a ball. You guys can see there's literally a ball, and that's the other end. It says to do this. This makes no sense to me. Let's pause. I'm gonna have to go figure out a video because it doesn't make sense. It makes sense if I were to put it in here and then press this in, but it doesn't seem like that's what they're telling us to do. One moment, we need to figure this out. I'm having the hardest time trying to figure this out. Unscrew the pen body and press the cartridge to click it into place. Oh my gosh, I just did it. I was trying to find a video. There's no video out there, so hopefully this video will help somebody trying this eyeliner for the first time. I could not find any instructions. I went to the Chanel website, and on the actual product, it says the instruction is to, when using the Signature de Chanel for the first time, unscrew the body, which is what I showed you first, and press the cartridge to click it into place. Set the pen on a flat surface for 3 minutes, allowing the formula to completely cover the applicator. So I literally just went for it. I took the cartridge and just pressed it in like this. I was so scared, so I'm if I'm doing this wrong, but the instructions looks like that. So it just ended up snapping into place. And here's the bottom part of the barrel. So if I show you guys this, here's the top part. And you can see, oh my gosh, you can see the formula going in there. So you press that in and you screw back, you just literally snap it on there. It was weird, but yeah. Now I'll screw back the top part of the pen, and it says to leave it flat for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes from now.
3 minutes, starting now.
So let's talk about it while we wait for 3 minutes. It says you can do like 3 looks. You can do a natural look, an intense look, and a cat eye. For a natural look, use the thin side of the brush to trace the base of the upper lashes and from the inner corners of the eye outward. For a more intense look, use the flat side of the brush to create a thicker line alongside the base of upper lashes from the center outwards. For a cat eye, after tracing the base of the upper lashes, extend the line towards the end of the brow with the thin side of the brush. Intensify the line with the flat side of the brush, working from the outer corner of the eye towards the middle. So that kind of explains why, like I was saying earlier, like it looks a little bit wider when you turn it one way and then flatter the other way. So that kind of makes sense. It kind of gives you more options as far as like how you want to use the liner. So that seems pretty cool. Hopefully I will like it because like I showed you guys, this one that I use, the tip is super thin and I love the control that it gives you. I can see right now it's like the product is getting there. It's like getting dark. Okay, maybe I'm just like not the best at reading instructions, but I was just like, oh my gosh, this does not really explain everything you're supposed to do, but it kind of does. It says you're to keep this for 6 months. I'm probably going to use it every single day, so we'll see if it lasts 6 months. It is currently September 17th. So we've got just right before Christmas to see if this will last me that long. And also this does cost $35, so it is more of like a pricier eyeliner. Dang, that was fast. Okay, 3 minutes is over. So it is a little bit more on the pricier side, but I did get mine at Macy's during their Friends and Family sale. And usually during the Friends and Family sale, you can get up to 10% off of, 15% off of beauty. And for the Macy's that does have a beauty counter, the Macy's that do have Chanel counters, Dior counters, all those that are high-end brands, not all Macy's, but some Macy's do have actual beauty counters for these different brands, and so you can use the 15% towards that, and that's how I got this 15% off, which is a deal for me. That's the only time I usually buy like my favorite higher end makeup, because why not get a discount? All right, so this has been sitting flat for 3 minutes. Now I am going to attempt to use it. I'm a little nervous and I'm gonna try it out using both ways. Let's just zoom in for a little bit. Let's try it. So I'm gonna try it sideways on the skinnier end. Okay, so that does give you pretty good control. I like the control that way, so I'm gonna try it now the flat way. I think I do like the wider end just because it lets you fill in any gaps easily. And let's see, let's try to go over again. That was pretty smooth. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, that felt really good. Do I have a new favorite eyeliner? We'll have to test this out and see how it lasts throughout the day. But I did like that I can go over the liner again, because sometimes some liners that I have tried, you're not able to, because then it just breaks apart. It gets really flaky, but this one was really good at that. And let's do a cat eye. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. Okay, let's do the next side. I always can get this eye like perfect, and the other one I struggle with so much. Wow, this has such good control. I am absolutely blown away with this liner. Why didn't I try it out sooner? Why did I wait till the last minute? Oh my gosh. And blown away, this may be like my new favorite because like I showed you guys, this Lorac one is my favorite. Just knocked it out of the park. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And I was able to go back over it even after like I actually stopped and took photos. So going back in here at least and touching it up, like, what? You usually can't do that with some of these like eyeliners. So I am blown away. So I am gonna say if you haven't tried this, go get it, especially if there's a sale at Macy's. Go get it. It's definitely worth the money, 100%, 1000%, whatever you want to say. So I'm probably just gonna wear this around the house a little bit and then I will check in with you guys and see how it does. It's currently 3:30, so I'm gonna leave it on for the rest of the day and I may be leaving my house. Whether I leave or not, I'm still going to do a follow-up at the end of the night. Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick update. I still have the liner that we tried out earlier. It's still going strong. The only thing that I've noticed so far is like in the corners it does kind of bleed a tiny bit, not like runny or anything, but it does kind of bulk up on the sides, so just have to maintain and like you get a Q-tip or net tissue, just kind of dab the outer corners. That's the only place I've kind of noticed a little bit of like, the best way to describe it's a little bit of bleeding. Other than that, it is still going strong. I still love it. Hey guys, it is now just about to be 10 p.m. and I have been wearing this eyeliner for about at least 5 hours. I want to say maybe 7. I can't remember exactly what time I started the video, but it is now about to be 10. I'm going to wind down for the day. But the liner, beautiful. I love it so much. I think it's just like perfect. It's like really dark, really black if you really want that like winged liner, dark winged liner. Like this is just really nice. Good morning guys, it is now Sunday morning. I am all ready to go to church and then I'm going to lunch afterwards. I would say like it is 10:42, so it is about time that I did wake up, right? Hey guys, it is now Sunday at 5:10 p.m. I'm doing a quick check-in. I have been wearing the eyeliner since about 10 o'clock today, and I feel like we're still going strong with it. The only thing that I kind of noticed earlier was that right in the corner, like I was saying yesterday, had a little bit of just a little bit of a run, but not anything too crazy. But overall, it still has performed pretty well and I'm very impressed and still loving this. So timestamp, it is now about 8 p.m. just after 8 and it is still going strong. I did get a little bit, like I said earlier, here, but it's not a lot. I'm gonna end it here and just say that absolutely love this eyeliner, highly recommend it, and if you're wanting to try it, definitely check it out. That is gonna be it. Again, I couldn't find any videos on how to put it together, so hopefully this video will be helpful to someone out there. If it's your first time trying it out and trying to figure out like what the heck, maybe I'm just not good at reading the instructions, but we got it solved and I love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video today. Thank you to all those who are new here to my YouTube family. Welcome. And a big thank you to all my OGs. So thank you all so much for being here today. Until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.